Hello everybody and welcome back. Today, directly from the Sicilian city of Trapani, let's cook together the spaghetti with pesto alla Trapanese. We need 250 grams of cherry tomatoes, 70 grams of almonds, 1 piece of garlic, some fresh basil leaves, pecorino. This is a Sicilian pecorino. You can use also a Roman pecorino. Spaghetti. First, let's cut the garlic in half. Let's remove the core of the garlic. Let's cut our tomatoes in half. Now we are going to toast our almonds and be careful to don't burn them. Let's make our pesto trapanese. First, the almonds. We whisk them a bit. Now we add our tomatoes, the garlic, a bit of olive oil, a pinch of salt. Now we add our basil leaves, 2 spoons of pecorino cheese, pesto trapanese, let's cook the pasta. Water is boiling, a bit of salt, spaghetti. Let's heat a pan. We add our pesto trapanese. Our spaghetti, pasta water. These guys are my spaghetti with pesto alla Trapanese. If you like the video, put a like, subscribe, leave a comment and buon appetito! Try it at home. Delicious. Ciao!